welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Sydney, and this week we are vlogging a week in my life as a college student. So this week is my last week before spring break, and so I figured I would vlog it for you guys because I guarantee this week is gonna get a bit busy and stressful, and it's Monday at 10:37 in the morning, and I already have a crap ton of things to do, and I feel like I don't have enough time to do it. So I just got finished getting ready, and now I have a whole bunch of things to do. So I'm gonna call Victoria's Secret to exchange one of the things that I bought. I need to clean up my room because it's a disaster, and I also need to work on a paper that is due tomorrow morning, and it's nowhere near finished. So let's get some ish done. Now I have to run somewhere on campus and drop some papers off, and then I have to go to Target to pick up a couple things, and we'll see where the day takes us, I guess. So let's go. So it's been a minute since I've talked to you. I got gas, got a car wash, went to Target. So I'm just eating. Depending on what time I get done, I'll pop into TJ. So it is currently 4:50. I have a class at 6. Hopefully that class won't be too long. I should only be in there for like an hour and a half. So I think I filmed a total of 1 clip today, and I wasn't even talking in it. So here I am talking to you guys. It is now Tuesday, and it is 6 o'clock. I just got home from work. Today has honestly been really busy, so oh my Lanta. So today has been go, go, go. And now it is time for me to eat dinner, which, let's be honest, is going to be ramen noodles because I don't have the energy to make anything else. Also, I've really been craving it, so hopefully I will film more tomorrow because I literally have 1 class and then work, and that's it. So I apologize for not filming much today. This might be the only clip that you hear of me talking today. I'm gonna go make my dinner now. Hello everyone. I just got back from work and school, and now we're here in my kitchen again, and I'm gonna do an unboxing for you because I ordered something on Poshmark and Amazon, so I figured why not share it with you guys. So first, Poshmark. which I'm very excited for this order. Oh, cute! Oh, it is a package and it says my username and it says thank you. Oh, cute! I'm so excited! Oh my gosh! No way! That's so cute. Anyway, I bought a Poshmark order from this lady on Poshmark. And so originally I saw this pin and it says treat people with kindness. And if you don't know, I'm Harry Styles stan. And that's what Harry like lives up to, is his quote, treat people with kindness. So it's like a little pink one and it's got a rose on it. And then she said that if I added 2, that I get buy one, get one free. So I was like, why not? So I got this little unicorn one and it says, don't quit your daydream, which is super cute. And then out of the kindness of her own heart, she sent me 3 other ones, which is so cute. And they're all unicorns. Wait, oh my gosh, these are so cute. So there's this one. There's this one. And then there's this one. Oh my god, I'm shook. That's so cute. Thank you to whoever I ordered this from. Oh my god, I'm shook. That's so oh my gosh, okay. So I'll put the name of the person on Poshmark, her like username. I recommend, she's great. Okay, on to what I ordered on Amazon. The first thing, which I'm so excited about, you see, your girl has thick thighs. So when I wear leggings, they rub together. So I bought this, this thing. And it's basically a fuzz shaver. Second thing I got are headphones. Because I was not about to spend $200 on AirPods Pros, so I bought these ones for 20 bucks. But they're so lightweight. Are you kidding me? Ooh, I'm gonna have to try these on because these look huge compared to what I thought I was ordering. And the last thing that I ordered was a wallet because my wallet is currently so big. So I ordered a smaller one. So that's what it looks like. It's just plain black leather. It's got lots of card. The reason I bought it is because it got a lot of card holders. Alrighty, that was a very successful unboxing. Now I need to clean up my counter. Good morning, beautiful people. It is now Thursday, and today I have 2 classes. I have a class in about 20 minutes, so that's exciting, I guess. Not really. It is literally blizzarding outside. Well, it was a second ago, but I just wanted to say good morning and that we are making moves today. We are filming more than I did on Tuesday because I did not film anything on Tuesday. That's the update for the day. Later I have work, but I have to go home anyway. So, it has been a hot minute since I last talked to you guys. I really stink at this vlogging thing, but I'm home from work now. But now I'm making myself dinner, and this is what we're making. beautiful people. It is now Friday, the final day of this vlog. I've made it this week. A couple weeks ago I tried to film this week in life and I just didn't film the last 3 days of the week. I think I did eye masks on like Monday morning, but my skin is really terrible right now, so I think I'm gonna do like a full face mask. I'm gonna get ready and we'll update you afterwards. So I think I'm gonna do this Freeman mask because this is one of my favorite masks ever and I haven't done it in a while, and it's very exfoliating and detoxes pores for smooth skin. So your girl needs that. Alrighty, so I'm fully ready. I feel like my skin looks better than it did this morning, so that's good. Sorry you can hear the microwave in the background. I am making lunch, aka microwavable macaroni. I have to leave for work in about 30 minutes, so I'll eat, pack up my stuff, and head to work. And then I work from 1 to 6, so you won't hear from me then.